Welcome back everyone to Crypto and More. On this video, we're going to talk about Ethereum. On the last video, we talked about Bitcoin, its weekly and monthly close. Here, we're talking about Ethereum. So right now, we're looking at the weekly chart. As you can see, on Halloween or November 1st, it closed the highest weekly or had the highest weekly close ever, which is extremely awesome. I wish Bitcoin had the highest weekly close, but unfortunately, it didn't. But this is like I said, these are extremely bullish months for you know the cryptocurrency space. Especially if Bitcoin and Ethereum perform extremely well, then the altcoins will just follow along. Right after. So it closed at around 4,289, 4,290. It was off by like a penny. So that's pretty awesome. If you look at the monthly chart of Ethereum, it also had the highest monthly close. And look at this chart, man. When I saw this chart, I was just like, wow. Since when is this? Let me see. Since here, I think this is yeah, the 8 EMA, the 8 SMA actually. Sorry. So since the 1st of May, the very 1st of May until I'm gonna say yesterday. It's been holding that line beautifully every month. Every month it's just it was just right above that, just riding along beautifully, which makes me wonder like this since actually I'm gonna count it here because I remember I remember these days right here, man. It's crazy how the market just plays with you. It's a little high, but it's okay. Let me see. Oh, I guess I'll bring it down a little bit. Okay, since word of caution right here. The lowest it was on the 1st of March was $89.80. That was the price of Ethereum on the 1st of March 2020. And I remember those days. I remember I was sitting down in the couch. I was getting alerts constantly about every coin just it was lower and lower and lower, and it just everyone was going insane in the markets. There was extreme fear, and I was in the market. I've been in the market for a while, even and at that time, like I knew I'm not gonna sell. I'm just gonna hold. Like why sell? Like it's already going down. If I sell, I'm just gonna sell at a loss, not sell. I still got scared, and I sold, and I made a mistake. I bought back in, and then I sold again, and then I bought back in. And then initially, I had more Ethereum than I did when I first sold, so that was a good trade. But when I ended up selling again. My emotions were just all over the place. I didn't know what was going on, and and I remember where I bit the bullet, and I was just like, I'm just buying in. I don't know why I'm scared. It's going back up. I don't know why I'm scared, and I bought back at a loss. Very unfortunate, I lost a few $1,000s, but I bit the bullet, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna. I know I don't know why I'm doubting myself. I've been in this market for a while. I've seen drops like this. Why am I so worried? And if I didn't sell, if I didn't let my emotions get to me, I mean, that would have been a nice percentage. 5,488% gain on Ethereum. Wow. And it's just been going up since, every month, constantly. Well, I mean, except for, I guess, these red months, obviously the intra months goes up and down, but it's been riding that 8 EMA or 8 SMA beautifully. But I digress. So I guess just a word of advice, if you don't know how to trade the market, obviously not financial advice either, it's just a personal advice. If you don't know how to write or trade the market, just dollar cost average. And if it goes down, it goes down. If it goes up, it goes up. overall in the long term, it's been trending up, you know. But also, you know, even long term traders, long term investors, we all make mistakes. You know, I made mistakes. Those few $1,000s that I lost back then could have probably been worth over $50,000 right now or more, 100,000. You know, so very unfortunate, but it happens. You know, you just have to learn from it. I've experienced that before. I don't know why I still panicked, but I did. It was just all of a sudden I don't know what was going on. But anyways, back to the video. It had the highest monthly close ever, which is amazing. So Bitcoin only had the highest monthly close. It didn't have the highest weekly close, but Ethereum had both, which is really awesome. Yes, but even though Bitcoin didn't have a high weekly close, the fact that it had the highest monthly close, that's really bullish. The fact that Ethereum also had the highest monthly close and a weekly close, to me that still confirms there's going to be a bullish trend these next few months. And if Ethereum does well, the altcoins do very well. It's like Bitcoin does it first, and then you just want confirmation, you know, that Ethereum does it again as well. And then if Ethereum does it as well, then you see all these altcoins like move along because Ethereum tends to confirm Bitcoin's bullish trend or bearish trend. So this is really awesome. We gotta wait and see what these next few months come or do. If it's gonna come back and retest that 8 SMA, or if it's just gonna keep riding up. But we gotta see what Bitcoin and Ethereum do in these next few weeks. Looking at the market, at least how I feel and like my sentiments on it, it might actually all the coins might actually start moving up towards the latter half of November instead of the beginning. I hope it's in the like the I hope the first these first 2 weeks they actually start trending upwards. Something tells me that the second half is when it's actually going to start moving up. But we gotta wait and see. I'll talk about some altcoins in the upcoming videos and just let you know on my price analysis on it and my technical analysis. Some of the coins that I got wrong and some of the ones that I got right. Because some coins that I thought were gonna do well did not do well, or they've been trending still sideways, you know, and they're still. So I had to reevaluate the charts. But there's some coins that did exceedingly well, which I did not expect. But that's also because of some news that came out in the market. But I'll talk about those. And if you want me to talk about any other altcoins, you know, that you guys are interested in, just let me know. Leave it in the comments, and I'll probably post it up in the videos. Well, one of the videos that will be coming up. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.